Pharmacology is the science of drugs and their effects on living systems. You can find pharmacology present everywhere. In medicine cabinets, when you visit the dentist, when you take any type of medication. Pharmacology is also responsible for painkillers, caffeine drinks, and antibiotics. It's the science of what's happening to your body and to the drugs itself in your body. Every medication we take alter the chemistry of our body. The role of pharmacology is to understand why these changes are happening, allowing us to develop better drugs in the future. Pharmacology is crucial for discovering new medicines to help fight disease, improving the effectiveness of medicines, reducing unwanted side effects of medicines, and understanding why individuals differ in the way they respond to certain drugs and why some others cause addiction. Pharmacology lies at the heart of biomedical science, linking together chemistry, physiology, and pathology. Pharmacologists work closely with a wide variety of other disciplines that make up modern biomedical science. This includes neuroscience, molecular and cell biology, immunology, and cancer biology. There are so many options of research to go into within drug development, and also once you have your degree, there's a lot of areas of expertise to go into. Plus, there are plenty of opportunities to undergo placements in pharmaceutical companies to gain experience before you graduate, so you know where you want to focus your attention. This is exactly where the opportunities are with placements, since there is nothing more important than getting work experience. Every opportunity you get, you need to go for it. This should be your main objective if you want to study pharmacology at university. You should have a plan to get work experience before, within, in the middle of, and even after. Obviously, you should also have the background for it, which means having a grounding in biology and chemistry for your A-levels and even your GCSE studies if you live in the UK. Obviously, the equivalent would be true for whatever country you live in. While we're on the topic of pharmacology, pharmacy is also something that is sort of in the same field and ballpark. And the same advice applies if you want to study pharmacy. Experience matters. At the end of this, I'm going to share with you a nice little template that you can send out to a bunch of potential employers and work experience providers that will allow you to get some experience even before you even start your university degree. Let's learn about pharmacy. So pharmacists are responsible for the preparation of the dosage forms of drugs and sterile solutions for injection. So while pharmacology is the study of the mechanism of action that drugs take, pharmacy is the science or practice of preparing these drugs and dispensing them. Now, is pharmacy for you, and is it a degree that can lead to an incredible job opportunity maybe? Well, there's approximately 700 hospital pre-registration posts with maybe around 2,500 qualified pharmacy graduates a year. Now, this is quite a big problem. If there's almost 3 times as many graduates as there are spots available, that's a massive issue. The greatest way to combat this is with making yourself stand out. Now, how can you make yourself stand out in a sea of thousands of graduates? Well, it's with experience. Now, don't get frightened yet. There's simple things you can do to gain some experience. There's summer experience you can get, unpaid or even paid opportunities. If pharmacy or pharmacology is your passion, you need to start sending out tons and tons of emails to surrounding pharmacists and pharmacology institutions asking if they have positions available that you can help them out with. This can be even in the front desk, because I believe you need special certification to be able to dispense any medication or handle any medication. As long as you're in the environment, it's an amazing thing to put on a CV and a very, very good thing to make yourself stand out. This is the exact format you should be using. I'm going to leave a download link somewhere where you can find it, maybe just below this video, and this is what you should be using. let's have a look at what some graduates and what some previous students of pharmacy and pharmacology degrees are saying about this degree.